Everywhere we look now, everything around us is changing. Change isn't just coming, change is here. Change is inevitable. So what is change? Change means to make someone or something different, to alter or modify it. Change means to replace something with something else. Change is the act or instance of making or becoming different. In order to move forward in this new season we're in, we have to let go of the old. We can never be changed or conformed in His image as long as we will not let go of the things that hold us back. So what needs to change in your life? What do you need to let go of? Change is here, whether you want it or not, and God will continue to press us until we surrender and change. We don't change because we are fearful and anxious. One of the reasons we are afraid to change is because we lose control. There are several characteristics of change. For one thing, change is permanent. When we change, we feel fully satisfied. Change will focus you. Change is hard, but change will move you into a new direction. Change will grant us all kinds of new possibilities. Change will mean that we have moved God into control of our lives. Change will decrease our efforts because we aren't trying to protect ourselves any longer. In order to go higher, we have to change. We have to lighten our load, the cares of the world, less of our flesh, and the pride of life. Our past cannot go into our future. We have to change to move as a corporate one man so that we can be unified with believers around us. We have to change in order to make more room for God to fulfill our destiny. I hope you will join me on this journey to change. Quit resisting what God is trying to do in your life and just accept that He knows more and better what you should be doing. As we leave our past, we will take hold of our future, and we will watch God make us successful and victorious in every situation.